In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Lark. Adding contacts is the quickest way to bring teammates, partners, or clients into your daily workflow. It's a simple process, and once someone is in your contacts, you can chat, share files, and schedule meetings with ease. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Lark app. Whether you're on mobile or desktop, the steps are nearly the same. Give the app a moment to load your workspace and make sure you're in the account where you want to add the person. Next, head to the Contacts or People section. On mobile, you'll usually find contacts along the bottom bar. On desktop, look for People in the left sidebar. This is your directory hub, where you'll see your existing connections and options to add new ones. Now, select Add External Contact. This option is designed for people who aren't already part of your organization's directory. If you're collaborating with someone outside your company, this is the right place to start. If you don't immediately see the option, it may be tucked behind a plus icon or an add button, depending on your version of Lark. You'll be prompted to enter their email address or phone number. Type it carefully and double-check for typos. If you're using a phone number, include the correct country code. If you're using an email, make sure it's the one they use for Lark or the one they actively check. Lark uses this information to locate the person and send a contact request. When you're ready, click Send Request or Add. The wording can vary slightly, but the action is the same. Lark sends a contact invitation to the person you specified. You'll typically see a pending status while you wait, and you don't need to do anything else on your end right now. The person you invited will receive a contact request. They'll see it in Lark, and in some cases they may also get a notification by email or SMS, depending on their settings. They need to accept the request for the connection to go through. Once they accept, they become your Lark contact. You'll find them listed in your Contacts or People area, and you can open a chat, share documents, or start a call as needed. If the request doesn't appear to complete, it's often due to an incorrect email or number, notification settings on their side, or organization policies around external contacts. In those cases, confirming details with them or checking with your admin usually resolves it quickly. And that's all there is to it. Simple, clear, and ready for smoother collaboration.